Manners on the Playground by Carrie Finn, illustrated by Chris Lynch. The playground is for everyone. It is a place where people go to have fun. Good manners allow everyone to have a turn. They also help people play safely. There are lots of ways you can use good manners on the playground. Elliot waits his turn to ride the swing. He is using good manners. Beth says thank you when her friend helps her to the top of the jungle gym. She is using good manners. Jacob and Tim listen while the teacher explains the rules of tetherball. There is only one teeter-totter on the playground. Still, Jesse and Melissa let their friends go first. They are using good manners. Cody says good game to players on the other team after they win the kickball game. He is using good manners. Juan says please when he asks to use Kelly's jump rope. He is using good manners. Kim helps Jenny get up after she falls down during the soccer game. She is using good manners. At recess, kids fill the playground. Liam says, "Excuse me," when he accidentally bumps someone. He is using good manners. After recess, Cheryl and Riley pick up soccer balls, baseballs, a bat, and other toys. They are using good manners. It's important to have fun and to use good manners when you visit the playground. By using good manners, everyone will get a turn, and everyone can play safely.
Elliot waited his turn to A. Go down the slide, B. Ride the swing, or C. Kick the ball, or D. Play in the sandbox. B. He is waiting his turn to ride the swing. Jacob and Tim listened when the teacher Blank explained the rules of tetherball, B. Told them how to catch the football, C. Talked to another group of kids, or D. Said not to push others playing on the jungle gym. Good job. Explain the rules of tetherball. Juan said please when he asked to A. Go on the teeter-totter with Jesse, B. Use Kelly's jump rope, C. Borrow Cody's baseball, or D. Wear Liam's mitt. Good job. B. Used Kelly's jump rope. What did Cheryl and Riley do after recess? A. They read books in the classroom, B. They raced to get into line, C. They picked up baseball and other toys, D. They collected trash from the playground. Great job. C. They picked up baseballs and other toys. What do people in Tibet like to watch? A. Chess matches, B. Rope jumping contests, C. Three-legged races, or D. Yak racing. Good job. It's D. Yak racing. How did you like the book? We'll give it 4 stars. Good job.